Hello everyone. Today, we will be learning about the JavaScript find method. It's a useful method to search through arrays and return the first element that satisfies a specific condition. Let's dive into how it works. The find method is a built-in array function in JavaScript. It takes a callback function as an argument and executes that function for each element of the array. The callback function checks each element against a condition. If the condition is met, find returns the first matching element. Otherwise, it returns undefined. Here's a simple example where we use the find method to search for the first number greater than 3 in the array. Notice how the find method stops after finding 4, the first match, and returns it. The rest of the array isn't even checked. Here, we are looking for the first even number in the array. The find method checks each element, and as soon as it finds 2, it returns it. It doesn't continue looking for other even numbers after that. If no element matches the condition, like in this example where we are looking for numbers greater than 5, the find method will return undefined. It means there was no match. Here, we use the find method to search through an array of objects. We want to find the user with the id of 2. The method returns the object, id2, name, Bob, which is the first match it finds. In the callback function, we can also access the index of the element in the full array. In this example, we're using index == 1 to find the second element in the array. As you can see, it returns the object for Bob, whose index is 1. Before we wrap up, here are the key points to remember about the find method. It returns the first matching element it finds in the array. If no match is found, it returns undefined. The method does not modify the original array. It stops iterating once it finds the first match, making it efficient for large arrays. It works with both primitive values and objects in the array. That's all for today. The find method is a powerful tool for searching arrays in JavaScript, and it's especially useful when you only need the first match. I hope you now have a good understanding of how it works. Thanks for your attention, and happy coding.